The art of the follow-up. Great. You have been introduced to a potential investor, and your startup is in the process of raising capital. The investor has shown a little bit of excitement in your team and has even asked you specific questions about your current traction and your business model. Then, all of a sudden, the conversation seems to slow down. What are you to do? You do not want to overstep and continuously pester the investor, but you would like to know where you stand. In this short video, I will go over how to follow up and get that investor back interested in your startup. Investors can get bogged down with information overload from a ton of founders and are usually working on many deals at once. However, if the investor does not give you a term sheet, that does not mean that they are not interested in your startup. It usually means that the investor is finding some sort of roadblock keeping them from investing in your startup now, and they will need to see some more traction or some other investors come on board before they will invest. For these reasons, it is crucial to be in conversations with multiple investors at one time. This is your business, not any investors. If the investor is truly ready to pull the trigger, the conversation would not have slowed down to begin with. However, in the case that the conversation does slow, simply ask the investor what they need to see from your team to confirm an investment. If you still don't hear back, not all hope is lost. Investors do not always want to give a pass email because they find your startup interesting and do not want to close that relationship. You need to keep these once actively interested investors on a monthly progress email and continue to send them milestone your startup achieves. Investors read these emails and will feel FOMO if your startup gains traction and some other investors close the round. Always keep the investor relationship open and follow up indirectly through progress updates. In fact, I would go as far to say even if you received a pass email, continue to fill in the investor on the progress of your startup. It is up to you to grow your startup, validate your business model, and I can guarantee you the funds will flow in. We at Mehta Ventures want all entrepreneurs to keep hustling, even if we have passed on investing in your startup. I look forward to seeing more follow-up progress emails and reports. Thank you.